Much like the rivers that form its presqu'île, Lyon is a city of confluence, at the intersection of history and innovation. Your trip to Lyon might include a visit through time to the Renaissance-era streets of Vieux-Lyon, or a gastronomic tour through some of Lyon's lauded fine cuisine. If you visit Lyon in December, chances are you've come for one of France's most unique festivals, la Fête des Lumières. In the 19th century, the city of Lyon planned to erect a statue of Mary at the Basilique de Fourvière. But when the statue was unable to be inaugurated due to bad weather, the citizens of the town placed candles on their windowsills as tribute instead, sparking the birth of the festival. The plan to begin highlighting the city's heritage through lighting started in 1989 and has become a 4-day festival that drew over 1.8 million visitors last year. This year, artists from all over the world came to create over 80 different lighting installations.